Tap the Workouts tab. Select the desired workout, then tap Start Workout. As you would do with most workout loggers, you can log your weight and reps on a set-by-set basis. When tapping Next on the number pad, that logs the set and activates the rest timer. Repeat as you progress through your workout. You can tap the Next option located at the bottom of your screen if no changes are required to your numbers on that set. If you tap on the exercise avatar at the bottom of your screen, this will switch your workout interface to an alternate view, providing you with the following detail. Tap the down arrow at the top left corner of your screen to return to the previous view. To make a superset is simple. Select the chain link icon in between the two exercises you wish to superset. Repeat again if you wish to make a giant or circuit set. To remove an exercise from a superset, tap the chain icon again. To replace an exercise, tap the three dots by the exercise name you wish to replace. Then tap Replace Exercise. Tap the exercise you wish to use instead. Then tap Change at the top right corner of your screen. To delete an exercise from your workout, select the three dots by the exercise you wish to delete. Then delete exercise. To delete a set or exercise note, swipe left on the specific set or note. To add an exercise, tap Add Exercise located at the bottom of your workout card. Select the desired lift, and tap Add at the top right corner of your screen. To add a set, tap Add Set to the left of the superset symbol. If you tap Edit at the top right corner of your screen, you can rearrange your exercises in whichever order you desire, or remove them altogether. You can also add new exercises by tapping the Add Exercise option at the bottom. Click Done at the top right corner when you are ready to return to the previous screen. You can adjust your rest timers on a set-by-set basis. To do this, select the clock icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will reveal the rest times on your workout. To change a rest time for that specific set, tap on that number. Enter your desired rest time. Repeat as desired. To hide the rest time details, tap the clock icon once again at the top right corner of your screen. By tapping the three dots by an exercise name, you have some additional options available to you. You can add exercise notes. You can view your history for that specific lift, or view specific exercise details. You can add workout notes by tapping the Add Notes option located underneath your workout name. By tapping on the workout name itself, allows you to change it to whatever you wish. By tapping the eye symbol to the left of the three dots for the desired exercise, you will be presented with a snapshot of statistics specific to your performance for that lift. When the keyboard is available, as you are inputting your numbers, you will notice a flag symbol. By tapping on it, you can change the set type from a regular set to a warm-up, failure, or cool-down set. Make sure your cursor is on the right set while you are changing the set type. You can also access the app's built-in plate calculator by tapping the symbol underneath the flag symbol. If you wish to log your RPE, tap the RPE on the number pad. Once you have completed your workout, tap the Stop option at the top right of your screen. You will be presented with a summary, as well as the option to have the app automatically bump up your weights for you on your next workout, based on pounds or a percentage of your used weights. Tap Save when complete.